Hello mathematicians, welcome to Smyan Academy. Today I'm going to teach you how to multiply by 49. This trick is very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so like always I'm going to first read the steps and then we'll go to this new formula I provided over here. And let's see how we could solve multiplying by 49 in a very quick and easy way. Alright, so the first step is to divide by 2. I'm going to write a 1 over here. Divide by 2. Cut your starting number in half. That's what dividing by 2 does. Next, you want to multiply that number by 100, which is basically adding 2 zeros to it. And then finally, you subtract the original number from that value you added 2 zeros to. So the original number, I'll denote it as the variable n in this formula. So basically what I did is I took all this information and I wrote it in this formula. So let's see what this means. So if we have a number n, we first divide it by 2 because it's in parentheses. Then we multiply it by 100 and then we finally subtract it by itself. Okay, so let's put that to the test with this practice problem. So 78 times 49. We're going to use that method. So we're first going to divide it by 2. And if you know it, 78 divided by 2 is 39. Okay, so 39. Then you multiply that by 100, which is adding 2 zeros. And now we're going to subtract that by the original number, which is 78. Because that's what we're multiplying with 49. And simple subtraction, your answer should be 3, 8. You're going to get a 2 over there, and then you're going to get another 2. So your answer should be 3,822 after that subtraction of 78. Okay, so wow, that was pretty fast. So once again, pause the video, try these practice problems by yourself. I am going to go over a new concept. If the number, you can't divide it by 2. What happens if you can't divide it by 2? What should I do? Like, I'm going to cover that in these practice problems. If you want, go take a shot, pause the video, and if you have any questions from the previous one, make sure to comment below this video. Alright, let's get started. So, we have 39 times 49. So, the same method, we're going to divide by 2, but now you realize that the number is not a regular number. It's a decimal. That's alright, we'll keep going. So, 39 divided by 2 should give you a value of 19.5. Now, we multiply this by 100. And but multiplying by 100 is just shifting 2 zeros from our previous video. So, we go 1, 2. And then we add that 0, and then your final answer after all that stuff, let me just erase it to make it clearer, and then your answer from that should be 1950 after multiplying by 100. Now what you do is you have to subtract that from the original number, which is 39. So after you subtract by 39, your answer should be 1911. It's the same trick. You multiply by 100 regularly, however you just shift the decimal this time because adding zeros won't work for a decimal. Moving on. 8.3 times 49. Same method, we're going to divide 8.3 by 2. So 8.3 divided by 2, let's see. So we know that 41 times 2 is 82, right? So that means that 8.3 divided by 2 is going to be 4.15. 4.15. But in this case, we aren't going to take it like 8.3. What we're going to do is we're going to ignore this decimal for now, okay? And we're going to think it's 83 times 49. So what we're going to do is we're going to think it's 41.5, which is 83 divided by 2, ignoring the decimal completely. Now we're going to multiply 41.5 by 100. So that's shifting 2 decimal places. So once we shift the 2 decimal places, let me erase this. Once we shift the 2 decimal places, you should get 4,150. Now what we do from 4,150 is we subtract 83 from that. And when you do subtract 83 from that, you should get, let me just write that down. Let's do 83. In mental math, you should know how to subtract it, but I'm just showing it out for you guys. So 6, 0, 4. Okay, so your answer is 4,067. So you see, you should be able to visualize how to subtract in your head, but later on, you might, I don't know, forget that, but it's alright. You just keep practicing this and you'll get better at it. So your answer is 4,067. Alright, now we have 68 times 49, and now you should be relieved that you don't have to do any of that messy decimal stuff. Oh, did I mess that one? Yeah, I messed that one up. Remember, I said ignore the decimal? Well, now what we need to do with that decimal is we need to add that decimal back to the value 4,067. And when you add that decimal, you should get 406.7. Right. Alright, that's your answer. Sorry for that. Okay, moving on. 68 times 49. Same method. So we're going to divide this by 2. We're going to get 34. Okay? After that, we're going to add 2 zeros because we're multiplying by 100. Subtract that from 68, the original number, and your answer should be 33332, which is 3,332. See, that was pretty quick. The ones that do have a decimal might take a little time, but the ones that don't, you should be able to do them in a snap. Alright. So, let's check our answers. Yep, we got them all right. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions or want some other types of content. This might have been a little bit tricky, but make sure to keep practicing. Rewatch the video if you have any questions, and comment below. Ask anything you want. Pretty much. So, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and goodbye.